everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Niranjana from Leo Tales. So today we have a new Indian brand for review. The name of the brand is Ray. I already talked about this when we reviewed the O sanitizers, if you remember. So I have two products from Ray, and these are a cooking spray and the second product is a sugar substitute. So we'll start with the more interesting product, which is the oil. So basically this is a spray oil. Basically it's cooking oil only, but it is in a spray form where you can spray it onto the pan. So why spray? Why is it different? It's basically different because here they say that 2 calories is in one spray, which means you can actually count the number of calories that you are taking in through oil. That is one thing. And 2, it doesn't contain any propellants or preservatives. And the one variant that I have here is rice bran oil. And I feel that it is comparatively safer than, like, a lot of times we pour in oil and then there is something left behind, and then sometimes we may throw it out and sometimes we may use it to reheat, which I absolutely don't like. So spraying is a little more convenient for, maybe you can also spray directly onto the food item, and you can actually keep track of how much oil you are consuming. So this particular product, it's priced at Rs 250 and you're getting 200 ml. And there are many variants available. You can check Amazon. In the description box you will find the link. So what I'm going to do is, we'll see a live demo how we can cook something with this, and then we'll come back.
So this is how the pump dispenser is, and you can directly pump it onto the pan. One pump is equal. That's like 4 calories I've sprayed in right there. So I've taken a white pan to show you that. So it is slightly yellow and the oil is getting heated up. Now let's fry some nuggets maybe. Spray it onto the product directly as well. Like that. That's convenient. Let's see how it comes up. So I now have the nuggets ready, and the good thing is that I think it has taken very less amount of oil to get cooked. So let's taste it and see. So this is how the nuggets that I cooked in Ray cooking spray looks like. They turned out to be very crunchy. There is some oil in my hand, obviously because oil is involved, but the taste is pretty good. It feels like you have cooked it in some oil only, and considering it is a comparatively safer option than using the regular coconut oil, I think.
So that was how well the cooking oil fared. Now the next product that we have here is the sugar substitute, and the main ingredient of this product is 99.8% stevia extract. Now stevia is a natural sweetener. So it contains 40 sachets. The price of this one is 210, and one sachet apparently gives you a taste equivalent to 2 teaspoons of sugar. That is the count. Sometimes I take a little more than one sachet. It contains 0 calories and glycemic index, and it is comparatively safer for diabetic patients and also for those who actually care about calories a lot. It is not safe for consumption for children as well as for lactating mothers and pregnant women, but otherwise it's good. So the packaging is travel friendly and also it is safe, and inside that we have 40 sachet. All you have to do is just put it in any of your food or drinks or whatever. That is just how you use sugar, and then let's see how it works. So now I'm going to add these into my tea and I'll tell you how it tastes like.
So I guess one should be good for 1 cup, although I'm a sugary person so I may need more. So just stir it off on one side, and so this is the texture basically. It's like grounded sugar, although it's not, but I was just saying that that's the texture. Let's see how 1 sachet of it will taste like. It doesn't really taste like how you add sugar in tea. It's a little different, but it gives us a tinge of sweetness. That is how it is. Not too sweet. There are a lot of people who do not like adding sugar in tea because it becomes too sweet for them. They feel like tea should be taken without any sugar content, which is not possible for people like me. But I feel that this giving a slight sugary feel, not so taste of tea maybe to a little bit. So I think it's a good option to go for.
So taste wise also, the Ray sugar substitute, it's pretty good. It is not giving you that intense sugary taste, but a slight sweet taste, which is good. And also it's comparatively safer as per the labels. It says no side effects and no bitter taste, and does not contain lactose, maltodextrin, dextrose, saccharin, aspartame and sucralose. That's pretty impressive. And it is a vegetarian product as well. So these are the two products from Ray, and I am definitely impressed a little bit more with the oil because this is something that I use on a day-to-day basis also. So if this video was of some help to you, do let me know. And also if you've used Ray before, or if you would be really interested to try them, let me know. All the links and all will be in the description box. So we'll meet soon with another review video or unboxing video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.